Hello and welcome to another video on your YouTube channel Tech Talk with Niket. In this video, we're going to look at context filters, what exactly they are, how do they work, and how can we use them in performing different analysis. Let's get started. Context filters are very useful where you want to apply any filter first. Also, they create a dependent numerical or top-in filter. Let's understand this with an example. I want to show the top three subcategories for every category that is there. And to do that, I will take category and subcategory for the sales numbers that are there. And I'll bring in subcategory and drop it to filter. I'll take the top by field and I'll pick the top three values on the basis of sum of sales. I will click on apply and click on OK. And I will also bring in category and drop it over here. Select all of them for now and I'll show the filter something like this. Now, the moment I pick something like furniture, I should get the top three subcategories within furniture. But over here, I'm getting only one value, chairs. What if I look out for technology? Again, only one value for subcategory. So what exactly is happening over here? Tableau is applying a filter of top three subcategories overall and then applying the filter of the category to which they belong. That's why we're getting only one subcategory over here as an output for the category technology. A lot of you think that this depends on the order in which the filter is being applied over here, but that is incorrect. If I bring in my subcategory down, I'll still get the same output. And my idea is to get category filter applied first and then the subcategory filter. And to add this precedence, I will convert the category filter to a context filter. To do that, I will right click over here, click on add to context. The moment I click on add to context, two things happened. First, yes, I'm getting the top three subcategories belonging to technology as a category. And also, if you'll observe, the color of this filter changed to gray. That is because it is now a context filter. So whenever you create anything and convert it into a context filter, that filter changes and becomes gray. That's an identifier for context filter. Now you will observe that we are getting the top three for whichever category we select. And in this manner, context filter works. Using the context filters can impact the performance of your dashboard. Here are some general rules that you can keep in mind to speed up your context filters. Use a single context filter that significantly reduces the size of the data rather than applying many context filters. Also, always complete your data modeling before creating a context filter. It is always recommended to apply a context filter first and then bring in fields to the shelf. That reduces your processing time. And if you want to set a context filter on a date, you can use a continuous date. However, using date bins like year date or context filters on discrete dates are very effective. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Till the next video, stay safe and happy learning.